I'm presenting on behalf of our team from Walmart Personalization. The main authors are Louis, Zhang, Kai, and Abhishek. In this presentation, I'm first going over the motivation, then methodology, experiment, key learnings, and related work. As you may know, basically to understand our contribution, we can go look at the evolution of generative models. So early models like SASRec and BERT4rec predict the next item directly from a sequence of items. The sequence length was simply the number of items. In 2022, models like Tiger introduced semantic tokenization, representing each item by semantic tokens. These enriched input, but also increased the sequence length. And this progress left us with two critical questions. First, how can we enhance these models with explicit and deterministic information? And second, as sequence becomes longer, how can we improve upon computationally expensive full attention mechanism? And basically, in this slide, we can see the architecture of Grace. So if you can see, it has two components, RQ1 and RQ2. RQ1 tokenization, in this part, we introduce a hybrid approach. For each item in the user behavior sequence, we generate two sets of tokens. First is semantic ID. They are created by applying RQ-VAE and hierarchical k-means on pre-trained embeddings, basically capturing the item's semantic meaning from coarse to fine-grained levels. Second, we generate chain of thought or COT tokens by reasoning over a product knowledge graph. For RQ2, the attention part, we combine hybrid tokens via the encoder. We basically replace the standard self-attention with Journey-Aware Sparse Attention or JSA. Let's zoom it a little bit on the hybrid tokenization with an example. On the left, you can see the COT reasoning over a knowledge graph. If a user clicks on a fan, for example, our system traverses the knowledge graph to extract chain of thought. For instance, product type is fan, price band is 3, and the brand is a specific name. These become explicit token to reconstruct the item search navigation. In application, we could use product knowledge graph, search query taxonomy, or even platform layout map to reconstruct the navigation. On the right, you can see basically we do semantic search over the item embedding space. And also, let's zoom in a little bit on the JSA architecture. JSA architecture first define let's say, shopping journey. Shopping journey usually refers to a behavior sequence with constant user interest. For example, a customer could have two journeys, shopping in grocery essentials while looking for electronic products. And JSA can understand this, basically multiple distinct shopping journey by considering current journey, intra-journey, inter-journey, and compression parts. As you can see, this table shows basically the key advantage of the Grace. The key advantage is efficiency. The table shows the number of activated parameters compared to full attention. At the sequence length, when the sequence length grows, the saving becomes substantial. For a sequence of 200 items, Grace reduced the activated parameters by 48%, making it much more scalable for real-world application. Here is a practical example of JSA. The input sequence shows a user interacting with a climate control item like fans and air conditioner, but also unrelated kitchen item. The goal is to predict the next add to cart, which is a smart window air conditioner. Our JSA mechanism excels here. The air conditioner intra-journey attention correctly focuses on the recent air conditioner interaction while skipping the irrelevant kitchen item. The climate control inter-journey attention can connect this to the user's earlier interest in fans. JSA intelligently navigates the user history to make a precise prediction. During the inference, the JSA the JSA-powered encoder processes the input sequence to generate a context. Then a decoder auto-regressively predicts the next sequence of COT and semantic token. We evaluate GRACE against a comprehensive set of baselines on larger scale data set for home and electronics category. The results show here that we can see that the GRACE significantly outperform all previous models, including SASRec and other generative models like MBGen. On the home data set, we achieved a 99% improvement in hit rate and over 100% improvement in NDCG compared to benchmark. The gains are consistent and statistically significant across both data sets. To validate our basically design choices, we conducted extensive ablation studies. This slide shows the result on the home data set. There are two key takeaways here. First, in the top section, removing COT tokens entirely, or basically even removing part like brand and price leads to a significant drop in performance. This basically confirms the importance of our hybrid tokenization. Second, comparing model like this without JSA shows that the sparse attention mechanism provides a consistent lift across different configurations. To provide more insight, we visualize the learned token distribution. COT provide an additional dimension for item prediction, which alleviate the collision in semantic token. Here is the demo for generative recommendation by GRACE. Customer last 50 behavior are provided to GRACE to predict next item. GRACE first predict the next behavior token, then predict the next chain of thought tokens, product type in this demo. Note that by changing the behavior, we could conditionally prompt the prediction generatively. Finally, GRACE predicts the semantic token for item recommendation. GRACE could balance multiple journeys like here, grill and blender, and predict the correct blender with a different color. By changing the behavior from add to cart to click, GRACE could recommend more blender for exploration and comparison. As you can see from the demo, GRACE takes a multi-behavior use history of clicks and add to cart for grilling items and accurately predict relevant next action. Key learnings. To summarize our work, offers three key learnings. First, customer behavior is a process of navigate and match. Our GRACE model with its chain of thought tokens explicitly model the navigate phase of user intent, effectively unifying concepts from both search and recommendation. Second, customer behavior is inherently multi-journey in nature. Our Journey-Aware JSA specifically designed to understand the complex transition within and between these journeys, improving both model accuracy and efficiency. GRACE provides an effective and scalable end-to-end solution for personalizing the entire user journey. Thank you so much. Feel free to ask your question to the main author of this paper. Thank you so much.